Hi, it's Phil here. I'm here today to show you my Toyota RAV4 2008 on a 08, first registered the 30th of the 6th 2008. Now listen to this, one owner from new with 41,000 miles, and I repeat, 41,000 miles. It's got full service history, full leather in it, sunroof. Now it's a category N. It had the front bumper replaced and wing, but there you go. Insurance gone mad. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to take you around the outside of the car, then take you around the inside. So we'll start with the outside first. So take you down the line of the car. Taking the wheels. The discs look brand new, to be absolutely fair. You've got your side steps, which are an extra. The tyres on the rear look like brand new. Some touch up that needs doing there, which we will obviously do. In the rear of the car, got parking sensors, as you can see. Privacy glass. Touch up again. You see, looks like new tyre there. Down the line of the car. No supermarket trolley dumps. Again, I'm pretty sure that they're brand new discs on the back, on the front, sorry. There they're down the line. So there you have it. So side steps, parking sensors, privacy glass, one owner, 41,000 miles, XTR model, just fabulous, with great history. Okay, what I'll do now is I'll take you inside, so I'll see you in a second. Hi, it's Phil again. So what I'm going to do now is take you inside the car. We're starting with the engine bay. So look at all the lines. All present and correct, as you can see. Great, these videos. You can zoom in, zoom out, you can stop, start, you can do exactly what you want with them. So this is basically, it's done 41,000 miles, it's got 6 service stamps with it, and it's one owner from new. It's just been serviced through ourselves, and it's going to have 12 months M.O.T on it with no advisories. Okay, so what we'll do now is we take it inside the car, starting with the driver's side door card. So electric windows, central locking, as you'd expect, all the nice leather. Obviously got the leather seats, which is a lovely option to have. 3 keys, multifunction steering wheel, as you can see. Got all the stereo, the heating, CD, 6-speed box, electric door mirrors. Got your sunroof, headrace all the way around. Still got the factory mats on it, which are lovely. It really is a testament to the previous owner, and I know everyone says this, but when it's a 41,000 mile car, one owner, it's only him that looks after it, and it's just in super condition. 5 seat belts, as you can see, as you'd expect. Taking in the boot. Now look, these are normally bashed to hell. Nothing. Everything's good. The carpet's good, as you can see. Parcel shelf still there. It's just a nice car. Passenger side rear door card. All the door wells are lovely. There's no bolt, there's no wear on the seat. No, it's just one of a kind. That's all I can say. It really is. one of a kind. Just quality, quality, quality. There's the dashboard. Service book, all its books with it. And again, seat, and you can see on the other side as well. So there you have it. If you need any further information on the car, please do not hesitate to give me a call. My number is 07775 038270. Give me a call, give me a thumbs up on the video, really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to hear from you soon.